So how to make a flare on a brake pipe. There's a double flare I prepared earlier. So we're going to put another flare on this end. Don't forget to put the pipe nut on, because once you've flared it, you won't get that on. By the way, these tools are absolute crap. Don't waste your money on them. The only good thing about them is this cutter that comes with them. I didn't get this for 15 bucks anyway. So with the cutter, just deburr the end of that. Now this is plate, not copper pipe, it's plated. You can see there. I've just ground the brush the copper off a bit so you can see. Copper's okay for clutch, but no good for brakes because it work hardens and becomes brittle. So put this depth gauge in there, screw it down tight, put the pipe in, push it hard up against, you can see through the hole there that the pipe's hard up against the depth gauge. Tighten it up, a 10mm spanner to tighten it. You can take the handle off and put the block in a vise if you want to, but this tool's handy because you can work on brake lines in the car or under the car. Depth gauge out. Die, got two ends. Operation 1 is the end with a cut, just so in case the printing wears off, I guess. So you put that end in first. That'll give you a bubble flare. Bubble flares are on European cars. Land Rovers have bubble flares and double flares, just to mix it up a bit. Most Australian cars, Japanese and American, have double flares. So we form a bubble flare first. Now that's as far as you need to go if you just want a bubble flare. But if you want a double flare, take it around the other way, a double flare, or a inverted flare. That's all there is to it, no stuffing around. No half a dozen attempts. And there we go. Perfect double or inverted flare. Now if you just want a bubble flare, which we do in this case, depth gauge in, just make sure you deburr the pipe. Push the pipe hard up against the depth gauge, and and nip the bolts up. Look through the hole. It's hard to see there, but that's good. Tighten it up. Depth gauge out. And OP1 is the first part of the operation if you want to make it double flare, but we just want a bubble flare. If you put the other end in first, it'll just screw the pipe up. Won't get a double flare or any flare, it'll just split the pipe. Okay. That will be perfect bubble flare, which is what we want. As opposed to a double flare, which is an inverted flare. So this is the one we want on the front brakes. If I can focus it, a Land Rover. And this is what you want on a Holden or a Ford or a Toyota. Job done.